Okay, this is our weekly weather briefing for Monday, November the 13th. We're going to start out with the highlights for this coming week. First off, we're going to look for a gradual warming trend to get underway starting today, moving through midweek into late week. We're going to see a weak cold front that may bring a few showers over the north at midweek, but really not amount to much and not hinder our warming trend very much. But by the end of the week, we're looking for a strong cold front, which will bring a risk for severe weather by late Friday into Saturday. First off for today on the weather map, we have high pressure that's centered over the Ohio Valley, and circulation around the high pressure is bringing in dry northeasterly winds and the beginning of a warming trend today as clouds have cleared out and we've gotten clear skies to work with for the sun today. High temperatures across the region today should warm up in through the 60s and possibly into the lower 70s in the south. And as far as cloud cover, we're just expecting some fair weather cumulus for this afternoon. Tonight, skies will clear and temperatures will cool off and be quite chilly, mid-30s possible in the far northeast, where there could be some patchy frost. Elsewhere, lows will be in the low to mid-40s. For Tuesday, high pressure remains over the Ohio Valley, but our winds will start coming more out of the east and southeast, which will start to bring in some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. Temperatures will once again be slightly warmer tomorrow than today. Upper 60s in the far north with everywhere else mainly in the lower 70s. For Wednesday, we have a weak cold front which will be approaching the area from the northwest. High pressure will have shifted even more to the east and more southerly breezes will continue to bring moisture back into the region from the Gulf. There may be some showers that develop over the far north on Wednesday night into Thursday, but for the most part, it should be just a few showers and really not much rainfall expected. This cold front doesn't have a lot of steam behind it, so it looks like by Thursday that it's going to be stalling out over the north. There will be a continued chance of some light showers over the northern portions of the area on Thursday, while the rest of the area just enjoys partly cloudy skies and warmer temperatures. By Friday, we have a pretty strong cold front that will be moving out of the plains, headed toward the area. Circulation around the high pressure off the east coast will continue to bring in Gulf moisture as we warm up well into the 70s on Friday. By Friday afternoon, Friday night into early Saturday, we will have a risk of some severe thunderstorms over the northwestern quarter of the area. Right now, we're looking at damaging wind gusts being the primary severe weather potential. But keep in mind that this threat is still considerably far out, and the timing will likely be adjusted over the next few days. By Saturday, right now, we're looking for that cold front to pretty much push through the area. It will be hung up over the southeast part during the afternoon on Saturday, but will continue moving southeast and push on out with the rain ending shortly behind the frontal passage. For Sunday, high pressure looks to build back into the region from the northwest, providing slightly cooler conditions for the daytime and chilly at night. Breaking the 7-day forecast down day by day, as you can see in the high temperatures, we'll be experiencing a gradual warming trend as we go through the week with highs rising up through the 70s, possibly near 80 on Friday ahead of the cold front, and then back down into the 60s for Saturday and Sunday behind the front. Lows will be warming as well, with 40s expected early in the week to mid-50s by mid to late week, and then cooling back down behind the front Saturday and Sunday. Precipitation over the next 7 days, we're really not expecting a lot of precipitation. These systems are moving rather fast and are not going to be around long to deposit much. But for the most part, the heaviest rainfall will be over the far north, where anywhere from a quarter to a half inch will be possible. Okay, that's pretty much the briefing that I have here. Let me